Type your text. Go to File, New. Make a file that's 100 by 100 pixels with a transparent background. Select the line tool. I use a black stroke and a stroke width of 20. Create a straight line. Press Ctrl+T and rotate the line 45 degrees. Adjust the size of the line and place it in the center of the canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the line. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the line and select Flip Vertical. Go to Edit. Define pattern. Save the pattern. Go back to the document with the text and make sure the text layer is selected. Go to Filter, Pixelate, Mosaic. Convert to Smart Object. Adjust the cell size to your liking and remember the number you use here. Right-click on the thumbnail of the text layer and select the pixels. You can make this layer invisible now. Create a pattern layer. Select the cross pattern. For the scale, use the same number you used for the mosaic. Select the mask of the pattern layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Adjust the levels to make the crosses fully black. Convert the pattern layer to a smart object. Click on the FX icon and select Color Overlay. You can adjust the color of the cross pattern now. And that's how you create a cross pattern text. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop text effects.